So I just wanted to quickly do a trade breakdown on the trade I took on Tuesday during London session. So I did take 2 entries. They were losses. So this first one resulted in a $300 loss. The second one was a $700 loss. So the framework behind this were sells. Why? Because we were in a premium price leg and we haven't yet formed this daily IFEG. So we were still within our daily fair value gap. So our draws on liquidity were this 4-hour fair value gap here. And we had these hourly lows. Also this low, which was just the fair value gap. Asian lows, what was our session draw on liquidity. Now we had some equal lows. We had these equal lows as well. We were targeting. So going into this, framing the trade, I was waiting for a manipulation above these previous day highs. So I was waiting for a inverted fair value gap just here, which we haven't yet formed on the 15-minute, but I was actually watching this on the 5-minute and I like this as the first entry. So our market entered here, targeting these Asian lows. Also, the first take profit was going to be the midnight open. That's where I was going to start to manage the trade. Now, the confluences for this actual entry was we got a change in state of delivery, this candle engulfing the one that swept the previous day high. And we also inverted this fair value gap. So we invalidated it, but we didn't create the actual entry confirmation within this time here. So I was waiting and waiting for that second entry. Now we swept out this previous high, tapped into this 5-minute IFEG. 5-minute FEG. So we didn't yet get the confirmation. This second rejection was our confirmation to go short for that second entry. Stops just at the fill of the fair value gap, targeting the Asian lows again. Now the trade started to go pretty nicely, and then what happened here was price was 0.1 of a pip away from where we were going to start to manage the trade. So we're going to take our first take profit here, as well as move stops to break even, but unfortunately it just didn't go that way. It's whatever, it's just the nature of trading, but in the end we were actually correct with our overall bias. So after that we ended up obviously meeting all of our draws and smacking the overall take profit at the 4-hour fair value gap.